Today we will talk about speed, how to choose the right speed and stay alive. What do you need to remember? What is the best speed for a motorcycle? Your speed should be if you want to survive, your speed need to be slightly faster than the flow rate. This is a great guy. Shows blinker, but what's wrong? He forgot to turn it off. Look at this person. He clearly wants to go right, and without the blinker changes the line. This can make your life shorter. Here is dangerous comrade. We move from him to another line to survive. When driving in the city, you need to be able to plan all your maneuvers in advance. In first turn, you have to choose speed mode. Give yourself the opportunity to stop safely. Speed limit should be such that in case of emergency, you should always have two options. You can stop or make a maneuver to get away from the collision. It's very simple. If you can't stop, then you've chosen the wrong speed. Here, for example, in this situation we have a lot of cars around. Look from all sides. And speed we choose such to stop safely, without emergency braking stop. Be visible and predictable. Why does it matter? If we choose the speed limit wrong, we are a threat, we are a danger, or we are a hindrance. Guy standing on the side of the road blinks his turn signal and it is clearly visible. But another interesting situation, the car turned on the emergency gang. What does it mean? This driver warns others about the danger ahead. Helping others, he helps himself too. Road safety is important for everyone. Be careful to survive. See blinks. Why is blinking? I do not know, but I was alert. Me, just in case, not overtaking, slowed down. I look at the mirrors and just in case I will move into the right line. Because he obviously wants to the left and it's better to go around than under it. Bus blink. Why? I don't know, but I became more careful. I see that he just allowed people to go. It means we can slowly overtake him. When driving on the road in the city, we have to choose such position where we are comfortable to continue our movement without unnecessary maneuvers, without creating obstacles. Sounds difficult. In fact, this is a place where you can lazily and safely go without changing the line. For example, here's our safest line. Why? Because to us, need to have space to maneuver. So we don't snuggle to the curb almost never. That's not safe. But here, quite safe and lazy enough, you can go on without moving. Obstacle ahead. It means you have to prepare to go around it. Turn on the blinker, look in the mirror, change the line, turn off blinker, done. Well, let's go left. Here we need to go between the cars. Very careful to not to die. An example of how not to. He's uncomfortable there, but you don't need to go there, because you will be uncomfortable there too. It is better to go around on the right, where it will be much more convenient. That's what I call forecasting. So, how to choose the speed we already know. Your survival skill have been boosted. Be careful and stay alive if it possible.